Your Keyport Pivot comes with 3 spacers, an extension pin, and an extra spring washer. You'll notice your pivot already has a spring washer mounted on the pin when you take it out of the package. Be sure to look for this little white box which contains all your spare parts. To assemble your pivot, all you need is a coin and your keys. Unscrew the male pin and set it aside. Lay your pivot flat on the table with the female pin pointing up and the spring washer mounted on the pin. Stack your keys. You always want to stack your keys at least 1 key thickness above the pin. If you don't have enough keys, you will need to stack the spacers on top of your keys until you are at least 1 key thickness above the pin. In this case, I have enough keys to achieve the 1 key thickness minimum. Hold your keys firmly while folding the chassis over and align the holes while you screw in the male pin. When you are hand tight, hold the pivot firmly together while you tighten the pin with your coin. As it tightens, you will start to hear it click every 90 degrees. This anti-rotation mechanism ensures your pin will never come loose when you're using your pivot. Now your keys are firmly mounted and it's ready for use. If you'd like to add more keys, you will need to use the extension pin. Just screw it into the female pin until it stops. No need to over tighten. Stack your extra keys. In this case, the keys are flush with the top of the pin, so I need to use a spacer so I'm at least 1 key thickness above the pin. Hold your keys in place while you fold the chassis over and align all the holes. Screw in the male pin and tighten with your coin. Depending on the individual key thicknesses, you can add up to 9 keys. If you have more keys, we have an expansion kit available. Your pivot has a D-ring, which you can deploy to attach loose items, like your auto fob. We have quite a few mini carabiner options available in our store. Thanks for watching.